After about a month of regular use, the biggest difference between Giraffe and Mistplay isn't the interface or the sign-up bonus. It's how each app feels once you've already completed your first few game offers. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is better after 30 days, what changes over time, and which one is more likely to keep you earning. Here's the short answer. If you enjoy trying different games, Mistplay usually offers the better long-term experience. If you prefer a simpler app with straightforward game offers, Giraffe may be a better fit. During your first month, you'll probably complete several game milestones on either platform. As that happens, the list of available offers changes. Some games disappear after you've claimed the available rewards, while new promotions may be added. Mistplay generally stands out because of its larger game library. After several weeks, having more games available makes it easier to find another title that matches your interests. If you like strategy games, RPGs, puzzle games, or simulation games, you'll usually have more options to choose from. Giraffe takes a more streamlined approach. The game selection is often smaller, but browsing the available offers is simple. If you don't want to spend time searching through a long list of games, that can be an advantage. Another difference is how you approach the apps. Mistplay encourages continued gameplay across eligible titles, so it works well for people who enjoy progressing through games over time. Giraffe is often better suited to users who prefer installing a game, completing the available milestones, and then moving on to another offer. After 30 days, you'll also have a better understanding of which game genres you actually enjoy. That's useful, because staying with games you like usually makes it easier to complete additional milestones than constantly switching to games that don't interest you. Whichever app you use, keep checking for new offers instead of assuming the game list stays the same. Both platforms update their available games over time, so it's worth reviewing the latest promotions before starting your next title. So which app wins after a month? If your priority is variety and discovering new games, Mistplay generally has the edge. If your priority is a straightforward experience with fewer decisions, Giraffe is still a solid option. The key points are simple. Mistplay usually provides more game variety over time. Giraffe keeps the experience simple, and your long-term results depend on choosing games you'll actually keep playing. Your next step is to compare the current game library in both apps and continue using the one that offers the best combination of enjoyable games and active reward opportunities. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons, tutorials, and updates.